Hello my friends, my name is TS and today we're visiting Camden Park. Fun?
Oh, it was excellent!
Woo!
Yay!
Big Dipper is so much fun. Woo! I love that ride. You guys like that ride?
Loved it, it was great!
Fun. You having fun?
Yeah, sleeping.
Woo, sleeping?
Yeah.
What are you sleeping for?
Tired.
Oh, don't sleep.
Okay.
This is where the spider used to be. Hey, what happened to the spider? You guys know what happened to the spider?
One of the whole arms fell off of it.
No.
Yeah.
I heard it just moved without... The Dodgem cars burned down a couple of years ago. It was very, very sad. I missed the Dodgems. They had a really great neon sign. It was animated. A lot of fun. So it's a big loss to the park.
We only work together.
So this is one of the best whips in the country. Hands down. You guys think so?
Yes.
This whip is awesome.
This is the original. This is the original one. Like this is an old school whip.
Probably because it's like 150 years old or something. Don't quote me on that. I love this ride. Fun. These Flying Eagle scooter rides, they scare me to death. Every park I go to, I have to ride them, but gosh, I'm so scared of them. Are you guys scared of these rides?
Not at all.
No?
No.
They're not scary to you?
No.
You're hanging by a little wire and you're flying way up in the air. Terrifying. Are you scared of those, Brennan?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, me too. Oh my gosh, this is terrifying. Oh boy. Oh, way up in the air. If I move the wing, I'm gonna move the wing. And then it's gonna get real scary. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like this. I wasn't scared as I thought it was gonna be. I was okay with that. Usually I'm a big baby on this ride though. Okay, it's time for my favorite roller coaster in the whole park. This is the Little Dipper. It's the smallest little roller coaster. It's like a toy coaster. It's so much fun. I wish I had one of these in my backyard. What do you think about the Little Dipper?
It's great.
It's great. What do you think about the Little Dipper?
Oh, it's excellent. Fun.
When was the first time you ever rode this?
I don't know, maybe I was one.
So Brennan wants me to ride the Tilt-A-Whirl, and I get so sick on the Tilt-A-Whirl. But he's talked me into it. Oh boy.
Hey, you want to get sick? Sick over there on the camera.
Sick on that side, okay. Oh my god. You wanted to slip. Oh my god. Oh, I'm getting so sick.
Yeah, why? Are you ready? Here it comes.
I'm not getting sick. Which way?
This way.
I guess I didn't get that sick. Okay, that wasn't bad. I didn't get sick.
He's a scary cat.